Okay guys, I'm out here with Hunter. It's the first day of turkey season. We just got set up on this field. We have a hen decoy out. But we think that they're still on the roost, right?
Yeah.
And we have a deer out right now.
And we see a fox.
Yeah, and on the way in there's a fox in the field. Come out to the field and we can double up on the first day. That'd be pretty cool. I'll turn you guys around and catch up with you guys when we see stuff.
Yeah, buck too.
Yeah.
Well, looks like someone shot it like this, front end. You just hit the shoulder.
Guys, we're moving right now. We didn't have any turkeys gobble, and then we decided to cross the field. And as soon as we crossed, we heard one gobbling. He's probably, 80 yards away? 100 yards?
I think it's probably that.
I don't think he is. I think he's just right over this ridge. There's one right in the field.
Right there. Set up on that big tree.
Okay guys, I'm going to turn you off right now so we can get set up. Alright guys, so we set up in a different spot because when he left the field, he came down this way, and then we got out to another field that we're allowed to hunt, and we called, and he was down in the corner of it, so we sat up in the corner of it, and what did we sit there for, 15 minutes probably?
15, 20.
And we didn't hear any gobbling or anything, and I looked down this road, probably can't see very well here. I looked down that road, and all the way down there, there's like a creek, and then across that, where I just zoomed in, I look and I see him run across. So we sat there for another 10 minutes, just waiting to see if he'd come in. He never gobbled or anything. And then I went back to the field where he was and walked through there and didn't see anything, didn't hear anything. I just came back here and called, and he gobbled. I'll try to call again, see if he answers, but... Yeah, he answered. He's up on top of on the hill, I think.
I don't know how to go at him
No.
now.
Just get to the field and then try to get up a little ways. So, try to catch up with you guys on trying to get him. This is what, our fourth sneak on him? Fourth ambush?
Yeah, like 4.
Fifth maybe? I don't know.
It's getting hard to count.
This is dumb. I would never have a turkey do this. No, he won't gobble again. Well, see you guys in a minute. Look for him on the red. He was coming right out, wasn't he? We couldn't have shot him, though, if he would have came out.
No.
Because he would have been out there.
Freaking turkey had us either way.
He played a lot of games on us.
I think we should walk to the top of that hill. Just because.
Well, Well, guys, he saw us on our 4th attempt.
This ain't almost a good video.
Oh. This will be episode 1, though. Oh, man. That was a big turd. That was a big bird, too. I would have filmed him, but wasn't really much filming to be done because he was gone. That's a big hill.
Yeah, that's still a long ways to shoot.
Okay, guys, well, I'm going to turn you off for now.
Hopefully we find another one.
Hopefully. So I just sent him out with a hen decoy. I don't know if you can hear it. There's a lot of them over there now. But there's 2 turkeys gobbling over there, and they are getting closer, and then there's 2 over here that sound like they're getting closer. So I sent him out into the middle of the field, and he set up a hen decoy, and I gave him my slate call. I wanted to try to move to the field, but I don't know where these hens went. It was a crazy morning. There was like at least 4 turkeys gobbling. He's getting... Trying to see if a turkey's coming into the field so I can film it from here. If I'm getting shot. I'll turn you guys off for now so I don't waste battery. It's a hen. You can come over here and look if you want. Oh my goodness. That one has a rope. Are you looking at this? He's strutting. I'll try to play it back if he doesn't show again. That front one right there has a rope. There's 2 toms, and I think the back one's a Jake. See it? Guys, so that'll do it for part 2 of this video, and then part 3 it'll say day 3 like it did day 1 and day 2. I'm out here with Hunter. We just moved the blind. Alright guys, well, that'll do it for part 2 of this video. I just wanted to make this because I sort of just left you off when I was right next to it, Tom, so yeah, here's part 3. Jack, get the camera out. Get the camera. You can't see him, and if they're close, he's gonna try to get a shot. Must not see him. I think he went right into the woods, but I'm not sure. Back out here again. It's like 11 o'clock. I'm just gonna sit here for an hour, and it's May 4th. I'll probably post the first 3 days of turkey hunting in one video and make that the first episode of turkey hunting. We've been close the past 3 days, but here and call every once in a while. So, catch up with you guys. Well guys, I think I'm gonna head home. I don't even know how long I've been sitting out here, but the wind just picked up. I haven't been sitting out here that long. It's 11:25, and I think I got out here at like 10:50. So it's been 35 minutes. My uncle said when he got up there, he was already in the further field, way down to our left, and that's somebody else's land that we don't have permission to hunt. So I did write that neighbor a letter though, asking for permission, because I don't want to go up there in person and ask since of the. I better not say that. So, since of the thing that's going on in the world right now, because last time I said that, my video got deleted. That'll do it for this video. I'm probably going to put this in... Oh, I saw a twig. I thought it was a turkey's head. I'll probably put this in the first video since I explained a lot. So, if you haven't already... If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, tap that bell so you get notifications for every time I post a new video. Make sure you give this video a like, share it to all your friends and everybody you think that would like to watch my videos. Yeah, I think that's it, guys. Have a nice day. Peace.